review that safety instruction card. A flight attendant will be coming through momentarily to review some safety requirements. If you're unable or would not like to perform those functions, we'd be more than happy to receive you. And to help expedite our boarding, so we may have an on-time.
We went to Carlos BakeShop. Here we are at Plnt Burger. I got the actual veggie burger. And my mom got the Plnt Burger. We both enjoyed our burgers. We went to the Harry Potter store in New York City. It was a cool store. They are supposed to build one in Chicago. I'll definitely check that out.
Coming here.
$43.18. You enter the room and here's the toilet, the sink, and the roll-in shower. Has a handheld and a bench that comes down. They also have shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Hello. Has bars by the toilet. Here's another mirror to show the outfit of the day. Two beds. A closet. Extra blanket and pillows. Hair dryer. Ironing board and iron. And TV. Some cute artwork. Some more artwork. You have the safe, little fridge, nice bucket, coffee machine. Have an LG TV and a desk. Look at this view. We're on the 43rd floor. Look, that's the Empire State Building, the one with the purplish light. We're on the 43rd floor. Look at how small the people look below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.